Hi guys, in this video I have chosen some beginner friendly projects that any person who has just learned crochet or is still a newbie and wants to learn crochet can do these projects and learn crochet and improve their crocheting skills. For that, the projects that I've chosen are very beginner friendly. They are for absolute beginners, and I have given them in an order where they can improve your crochet skills step by step. So let's begin. The first one is this. This is a chain bracelet made with bulky yarn, which you can make in any color. This is the most easiest project, that's why I've kept it on the number one. In this project, all you have to do is to chain stitch and make a bracelet for your wrist. For that, you do not require any stitches like single crochet or double crochet, just you learn how to make a chain. And this is done here in the bulky yarn, so it's very easy to make. Now the second project is the progression in this step. Here, this is a bookmark made only by using single crochet stitches. So if you're a beginner, you know how to make a chain and you're learning how to make single crochet stitches, you can use your skill to make this bookmark. It requires rows of single crochet. So here in the end, in this video, you also learn how to make tassels, very simple tassels. You want to make it, you can make it. If you want to skip that part, you can skip it also. The third project in this progression is a dishcloth. Here again only single crochet stitches are used. It is bigger than the bookmark, so you will need more time to make it, and it's a good practice for beginners. This is made in cotton yarn, not in any acrylic or any other kind of yarn, and it's a square dishcloth, and there is a loop. You can learn how to make a loop in the end to hang that dishcloth. The next comes this is a sweatband. It has 40 rows of slip stitches, and you will learn how to make a slip stitch and practice them. So it's all again very beginner friendly, very easy for any newbies who are just beginning their crochet projects. Next is this simple mesh hairband. Now here you can use any yarn. Here they have used a medium weight yarn, so you can use that. You can use acrylic yarn, mixed yarn or cotton yarn. And here the mesh pattern is done. Here double crochet stitches are used with mesh pattern, and again you can make it in any color. This is a little bit more progressive than the first four projects. So I have put this mesh hairband at the fifth number in terms of the difficulty. The next is another headband, but in this headband we need to use a hair tie. This is made by using an acrylic band of any color. You can use any yarn, you can use a cotton yarn or a mixed fiber yarn. Materials are explained here in the tutorial, what materials that you use. So here again single crochet stitches are used, and also half double crochet stitches are used to make this headband, and there are 50 rows of half double crochets. So this is a little more progressive than the earlier ones. Now the next two projects are scrunchies, which are very easy, very quick to make and very beginner friendly, and you do not require any prior crochet experience to make this. Only you need our hair ties and yarn and a crochet hook. In the first one, double crochet stitches are used, and a second one is a little bit more complex where you use single crochet stitches in the beginning and then you also use double crochet stitches, and this is in two colors. The next are the designs of few coaster designs I've chosen. These are fun and easy projects to make for a beginner, and it really boosts your confidence when you make a set of 5 or 6 coasters. The first coaster I have chosen is a very simple design. It's a flat circle. Again, very easy to make, very beginner friendly. This is a basic shape which is good to learn, and it requires only double crochet stitches to make. The next coaster design is of a bear coaster design. Here 8 ply cotton yarn is used with 4.5 crochet hook. It has all HDC stitches, means half double crochet stitches, which is used to make the circle, and for making the ears of the bear, double crochet stitches and half double crochet stitches are used. The next is this very interesting, very beautiful design. This is a star coaster. Again, it's very easy to make, beginner friendly, and once you have made a circle coaster, all you have to do in this design is you have to use half double crochet, and you will also learn how to use treble crochet to make the star design in this pattern. Next is this, it's a easy small drawstring pouch. Only double crochet stitches are used. It is small in size, and if you want a bigger size, you can just increase the number of rows, and you can make a pouch for keeping your glasses, for keeping your crochet hooks, or keeping any other stuff. So you can just increase that in length, and also you learn how to make and put a drawstring into a pouch. Now this next design is of a bottle holder. It's a very interesting, very useful project to make. It uses mesh stitches and you can make it very easily. You can make it in multicolors or you can just make it in one color as it is given here. The next two and the last two designs are of keychains. The first I have included is this cherry. Now if you are a beginner and if you want to learn a little bit of amigurumi, this is very simple. You learn to make a small amigurumi wall and attach the leaf design to it. Again, the leaf design is made using simple half double crochet stitches. Again, very beginner friendly level. The next keychain that I have chosen is a bow keychain. Now looks a little bit complex, but it is very easy. Only two parts of stitches you have to make, and then you have to learn to sew them together in a particular manner, and it looks very beautiful. You can also use it as a back charm. So these were the 16 designs that I've chosen for beginner friendly crochet projects. Now by beginner friendly I mean if you are just starting with crochet and even if you don't know anything, you can use these projects one by one, starting from the simplest one which I've given in the beginning, a wristlet which is made with a simple chain stitch in thick yarn. So what you can do is begin from there and slowly you can choose one project with single crochet, another project with a double crochet stitches, and so on, and make some of these projects and also improve your skills as a crocheter. So I hope you use and enjoy making some of these patterns, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I will see you in the next time, and thanks a lot for watching my video.